Tots with Pittsburgh Festival Opera, and today we're going to learn a new song about the creatures that you can find in the sea. So, to start, you're going to need 2 scarves or any type of fabric that is very colorful and very beautiful. It could be a t-shirt, it could be socks, or a towel, or a scarf that you wear around your neck. Whatever you can find that is beautiful and colorful to use for this song. Now listen to me and follow along. It starts like this. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 swish. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 all day long. The dolphins in the sea go round and round, round and round, round and round. The dolphins in the sea go round and round, all day long. The waves in the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down, all day long. The mermaids in the sea go swimming back, swimming back, swimming back. The mermaids in the sea go swimming back, all day long. The tide in the sea goes in and out, in and out, in and out. The tide in the sea goes in and out, all day long. Wonderful job! Now, you can practice by following along with the video, and then practice on your own and teach it to a family or friend. Have a great day. Bye!